Alright, here's something a little different. Had a company reach out to me on Facebook. They saw some of the posts I made about some projects on professional circuit boards that I've done. So they reached out to me and asked me if I would like to try out some of their PCB boards in exchange for a video. So I said sure. So I gave them a Gerber file of something that I hadn't done yet, and they were kind enough to give me 10 boards. So we're going to open these up and take a look. Let me zoom in on the label here. You guys can read that. Hitech Circuits Company Limited in the big country of China. So let's get this box open and take a look and see what they sent me. Well, we'll just open it from this end. Where's Dave Jones when I need a knife? A good knife. Alright. Got some packing. More packing, and there's our circuit boards. Alright. Come in the usual shrink wrap bubble pack with a desiccant QA department pass label for production, October 11, 2023. Oh, this is my traffic light controller, my Arduino based traffic light controller. And I got the desiccant package cut open. Alright, we'll give you a little full screen zoomed in action so you can make your own evaluations. Again, with just looking at it with my glasses, not putting it under a microscope, looks pretty good. And when I do the final assembly, of course, we'll see if there's any issues with it, but again, everything looks fine. The solder mask looks great. The silk screen looks good. It's very clear, very legible. Registration looks good. Yeah, I don't think we'll have any issues with this. Any problems I might have will be my fault. I'll be a circuit problem. Let me draw the schematic out. So yeah, good deal. Now I don't even know if this circuit will work. It should. Um, I gotta look to see if I have any 328Ps in that package. I know the code works. I built one. Got it floating around here somewhere on in my mess of stuff. And that's not it. Yeah. Oh, here we go. So I did a quick little video about this, I believe 6 months ago or so. But I just have a little, this is an Arduino on the bottom, and just have a little Arduino shield, proto shield on it. And I just went ahead and put some LEDs in it just so we can demonstrate that. And you know, let me fire this thing up and we'll go through it real quick. Find a USB cable that's not 2 inches long. Got a power bank instead. Signal 1, signal 2. There's a couple modes in it. We'll just let this standard mode, and just let that cycle through once here. Only thing I didn't add to it, I didn't add a way to externally adjust the timing. You can do that in the code, of course. Alright, and we hit the button. We'll go scroll through some modes. Flashing red, night flash, red both lanes. Red both lanes alternating. And then we have red one lane and yellow the other lane. Then we have the same alternating. And then we have the inverse of that. And then back to the standard traffic light. See, that comes right off. And we just have a regular old Uno, which everything but the power supply and the USB converter on here. And go ahead and I'll see if I have any components, and we'll either continue on to this video or I'll do a separate video later. Alright, here's a piece of paper they sent with the order. Hitech Circuits Company Limited, but they have their telephone number if you want to call China. They have their fax number here. They also have their email. Zoom in for you. Sales at hitechpcb.com, website www.hitechpcb.com, and I'll have a link in the description. And the person that contacted me was Roger, and again, he saw some of the posts I did on Facebook, not even through Maker Jeff, just my personal page. I posted on some of the electronics pages there, showing off some of the projects that I've done, like my counter, my clock, and some of the other things. And I actually had another company reach out to me too about their PCBs, and you know, they just wanted to promote their services. And I actually said to them, hey, if you guys want to send me some PCBs, I'll do a review. And they really didn't want to do it, but Hitech Circuits Company, they went ahead and just offered to send me a small order just to do an evaluation on. So here we go. Ta-da! I had all the components, so I went ahead and built one up. So I'll power it up, see if it works. There we go. That represents one traffic signal. This represents the other. Of course, that is an amber LED. That's a red LED. They probably look the same on camera. So there's your standard North American traffic light sequence. Then we press the mode button. And then we have a night flash where they're both flashing red at the same time. And then we have the night flash where they're flashing red opposite. And then we have night flash where one's red and one's yellow at the same time. Then we have red and yellow opposite. And then we have red and yellow at the same time, but directions are swapped. Then of course we'll have the red and yellow opposite. And then back to your standard traffic light. So I had no issues putting it together as far as the PCB manufacturer is concerned. Everything looks good. Only thing I messed up, the footprint for the transistor array. I used the Eagle file from the Spark Fund, and they had it set up as a narrow package. And I didn't have any of the narrow packages. I looked on DigiKey and Mouser. I didn't see that any of the narrow packages are available, if they even did exist. I did have some of the wide packages on hand, and I had to make that work. But other than that, everything looks good. And again, a big thank you to Hitech Circuits Company Limited in China. I will definitely keep them in mind the next time I need PCBs made. If you have any PCB needs, be sure to contact Hitech Circuits Company. And if you want, just for giggles, tell them you saw a video by Maker Jeff, and maybe they'll give you a good deal. Maybe they'll give me some more stuff. So, all right. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. And if you like my channel's content, please hit the subscribe button. And I'll be with you soon with another exciting video. Talk to you later.